Hi everyone, it's Dietitian Danielle from ShopRite of Lincoln Park, coming to you from my kitchen to show you unicorn grilled cheese that you can make from home. All you will need is shredded mozzarella, which is in each of these bowls here, and then you will also need some butter for the bread, whole wheat bread, a skillet, and some food coloring. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is take one of your food colors, which I have green right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the food coloring and just put one dot into the bowl. I'm going to do the same thing with the red. One, maybe we'll do 2 dots in there. And then I have yellow, 1, 2, and we have blue, 1, 2. The next thing that you'll do is you're going to take each of these and you're just gonna mix up the food coloring. This is turning a nice green from the green that we put in there. You can see that. Okay, we have the green. Now let's go ahead and mix up the red. We have that red in there. And then we'll take the yellow and go ahead and mix that up. And finally we have blue. So let's go ahead and mix that blue up real nice. So you have a nice blue color. So once your colors are all mixed, the next thing that you'll do is you're gonna take some butter. Just cut up some butter here and we're gonna stick it right on here to melt so that it goes on one side of the bread. And the same thing for the other slice. Turn this up a little bit. Okay, and then you're going to take a little bit of each of these colors and just simply spread it right onto the bread. So we're gonna do one side with some blue. We'll do another line with some green. The other with some red. And then lastly, we will put the yellow in there. So we have all of our colors of cheese all on there. It's nice and colorful. What I'm going to do now is stick this top piece of the bread on there. And we're just gonna let it sit there for a little bit. You're going to make sure that you flip it and you make sure you have a little brown on each side. And then you will simply take the grilled cheese off with a spatula onto your plate. Let's go ahead and turn the skillet off. And then you will simply cut the grilled cheese in half. And in the middle, you have a nice rainbow color unicorn grilled cheese, and then you can enjoy it. This is a nice simple snack that you can make instead of your regular grilled cheese. You can make it nice and fun for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day, everyone.